Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Anna and I do makeup, skincare, and multi-generational family vlogs on my channel. And for those of you who are returning, hey y'all, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you guys my kind of updated skincare routine or nighttime skincare routine since the last time I filmed one, which was months and months ago. Some things have changed, some products have changed and stuff. So I figured I'd show you guys that. You guys are probably wondering, how are you going to show us your skincare when you're in your room? Look, I live in a house with 9 people and currently right now all the bathrooms are preoccupado, so we're gonna make it work in here. It's gonna be hopefully not super messy, but we shall see. So if you want to see what my updated skincare routine is, please stay tuned, but also please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hair kind of out of the way because this stuff just likes to fall right in my face. And you guys are probably wondering about this makeup look. If you are new to my channel, you probably haven't seen this video, so I will leave it up in the cards for you guys. But this was a very, I guess, a very important video that I made. It was just something I did to represent Martin Luther King and everything he stands for, so make sure you guys go check that out. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get my little headband on. So now that we've got the hair out of the way, the first thing that we're gonna do is we need to get this makeup off. So I have got some baby wipes and my Mary Kay eye makeup remover is what, sorry, I've got a lot of noise going on, is what I'm going to be using today. So just the baby wipe, the Mary Kay makeup eye remover. You shake that up and I'm just going to put some on the wipe. I said this in one of my other videos that I know people have conflicting views on wipes and stuff like that, but as far as like getting this amount of stuff off, yeah, we're using a wipe. So I've just got it kind of drenched in that. Now we're just gonna wipe it off. Alright, so as you can see so far, most of the makeup is gone. I've got a little bit of eye makeup left, so I'm just gonna get another wipe and do the same thing, but I will show you guys the towel here. Pretty gross. It got everything off my face. So we're just gonna do that again. Got it wet. I'm just gonna, and with the eyes, you can actually just kind of sit this there just for a second and then gently wipe it away, and it should get most of the eye makeup off that way. Yeah. And this Mary Kay eye makeup remover is amazing. It's supposed to be just for your eyes, but it literally removes all the makeup. So this is kind of one of my go-tos if I have a lot of makeup on that I can't just like wash off. Like if I'm like I did a full push this, then I'll use that to wipe it off. And then let's make sure your eyes are always the hardest part to get off because all that waterproof stuff, and it does not like to come off. Excuse if you see my nose running. My nose, like with makeup and wipes, for some reason it just likes to run, so I'm sorry if you see that. Alright, so eye makeup pretty much gone now. Lips gone. I always like to check around my hairline because I do work makeup in there, and I also work it down my neck. I mean, I'm going to be showering after this, so it's not that big of a deal, but if, you know, for some reason you're not, just if you put makeup down your neck, make sure you get that off too, because you'll just put it all over your pillow. So now that we have gotten a majority of the makeup off, some people might stop here because they think that that removes everything, but I promise you it does not. So like I said, I would normally be in my bathroom doing this, but bathrooms are occupied. So now that we've gotten all that off, we need to wash our face. So what I'm going to be using is my Fenty Skin. And I'm just going to, oh, my water's cold already. All right, I've got a bowl of water down here. So it's gonna get my hands wet, get my face wet. And now The one thing about Fenty Skin is she says that it works as a makeup remover as well. I personally don't like to use it just like if I had all that makeup on, I would always wipe my face off first. But I do kind of double down with my skincare at night, so, or with my face washing at night if I have makeup on. So I've got water in my hand and I got soap on there. So first I'm just going to use my hands and just cleanse my face. And I know if you've been following me for a while, I did a first impressions on this Fenty Skin and I never did the review, but don't worry, it is coming eventually. I just was gonna, my plan was to try with my skincare to do a different skincare every 30 days, but I really like this so much that I haven't stopped using it, but it's coming, so don't worry. All right. Generally, if you were in the shower or at the actual sink with water, this would actually suds up a little bit more, but I've got nothing to wipe it off with. So now I'm just gonna take a towel and get it wet with water and rinse that off my face. And this is a good indication too. You can see my camera will dim down that there is still a little bit of makeup on my face. There's enough that we needed to wash again. All right, and like I said, because I had on makeup, I do like to double down. So I'm gonna get my Mary Kay Skin Vigorate brush. Got 3 settings and I'm gonna use that next. I'm gonna get that wet with water. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing, put some of my Fenty Skin on there. Not as much this time. Oh, my lights. Not as much that time, but just enough. And then we're gonna do the same thing. This thing goes for a minute, so I'm just gonna wash for a minute here. Done. All right, so as you can see, that's what's supposed to happen. I'm super sensy. You can see a little bit on the brush here that it is a little bit dirty. It's not as dirty as like it could be, but there is still dirt on there. So I'm glad that I washed my face again. Now, generally I would just splash my face with water, but I'm gonna use the other clean side of my towel just to wipe that off. We should be 100% clean. Oh yes, there's like nothing on the towel now. Okay. So now, the face is clean. Now that the washing is done, I'll just give you guys a close-up of my face here. As you can see, it's very, very clean. It is a little dry feeling just because, you know, I washed it and everything, but it's very, very clean. No more makeup, I hope. My next step is going to be my Fenty Skin Fat Water. And if you saw my Christmas haul video, you'll know that I keep this bad boy in the fridge because I just like the cooling sensation that it gives. So I just squirted a little bit so I wouldn't show you guys, and then I just put that all over my face. And then the next thing I do, these I also keep in the fridge. This is the Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG. And these, like I said, I also keep in the fridge. So what I do with this is I just take a little drop, 2 drops of that, maybe. Just depends. And these feel really good when they're cold under your eyes. It just helps. And use that ring finger, guys, and you just pat that underneath the eyes. Yes, this feels so good when it's cold. It's great in the morning too. And so I just pat that in, and then I will work this in on my lids and just kind of all the way out to my temples. And then lastly, I take the Fenty Skin Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. I know, an ample amount. Rub that in, and then we just rub it all over our face. I rub it up my neck, and you want to rub up. Oh, that sounds weird. You want to rub it up because we're trying to defy gravity here. So and then, you know, I'll rub it on my eyes. Just rub that in until it's good and moisturized. And you guys can already see the skin is glowing, okay? Like glowing. Next, I'm gonna take my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And then with this, you do want to apply a generous amount. So I take, you know, about that much, and I will put it all over my lips. And this stuff is great because I get really chapped lips. So now we've got glowing, shiny lips as well. And then the very last thing I do, which is probably my newest favorite thing that I've added to my routine, is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Got this kind of gooey consistency. So what I have implemented doing now, instead of using my hands, I take my Mary Kay mask applicator and I just dip that in here, and then I just apply this lightly on top of my face. And I really like this for multiple reasons. It's, one, smells like watermelons, like literally just like watermelons, not like the candy flavor. It smells like watermelon seeds, like smells like summertime, let's just say that. So and then also it's super hydrating, so I like to put this on after I apply everything, just so it helps seal everything in. And like I said, it's just a light coat. I might be going a little ham sometimes, but I love this stuff so much, I don't even care. I guess one place I don't put it is on my eyelids. I don't put a lot of things on my eyelids but eye cream, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Alright. And then we smell like watermelons. You have this nice cool feeling on your face. Sometimes I'll just kind of fan it just to let it dry a little bit because it is a little wet. And then we are ready for bed. Like, that is pretty much it, guys. Like, there's really nothing to it. I know a lot of people have been asking about, like, oh, Anna, you need to tell us your skincare, like what you do, because your skin looks great. And you guys, it's literally been just a lot of work, a lot of trial and error. I will say though, even though I'm using the Fenty Skin, what changed my skin the most was my Mary Kay products that I was using. I used those for about a year consistently, and that dramatically changed my skin. Like, all of my blemishes and dark spots that I had, like I used to have really dark it used to just be really dark on the sides of my forehead. All of that was gone from that. And then, you know, I've got my birthmark here, but I had some hyperpigmentation on this side that went away. So yeah, I give all the credit to Mary Kay on that. I will say that the Fenty Skin is definitely not too far behind, but I don't want to talk too much about Fenty Skin because there will be a video coming for my review and all about it. Well, you guys know I liked it, but just all about it. So yeah, but that is going to conclude the end of this video. If you like what you saw, leave down in the comments what your favorite part of my skincare routine was. Do you use any of these products? I would love to know. Let's chat down in the comments. But other than that, please make sure that you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.